Hello, hi, and welcome to our channel. Good evening. Yeah, it's like 8 9 over here, our British Standard Time BST. As today, we are going to see something interesting. It's not related to live stream or anything, but it's related to something interesting. Yeah, so are we live? We are. We got 50 subs for our channel. That's great. If you get any personal information of mine, just ignore it. Okay, so I was trying to use Tableau public. Sometimes I will go offline. Okay, like let me create a new screen which looks blank. So yeah, we can go blank and come back. So yep, so here we do have data. So this is basically a waste management of Stirling Council. I got the data from the Stirling Council website. I was checking about this as well, the population data. This one is about waste collection, so probably regarding environment. Okay, over here we do have a lot of data. So flood mitigation, flood risk management, I should check this as well. So, and right now we are doing about domestic waste collection, so you can understand from it, right? Here we are seeing that Dunblane is the most waste area, like they do provide a lot of waste. Okay, this chart is real mess, just never mind. We'll take only 1 month, let's say 3rd March. During the March we can see Dunblane was the most one who produced the waste, which is like domestic waste. And also we can see that they also produce a lot of recyclable waste as well. Just ignore this is the transfers from one council to another. I'm not probably sure how the data is being recorded. Yeah, I'm totally new to this data, so just please adjust with it. So we're having a lot of issue over here as well. I'm not sure what is that. And the main thing is that we are able to understand that Dunblane and St. Ninja's Winds of Milton is one of two, three is okay, Buchanan Burn. So these three are the most one who produces waste, domestic waste, and we do have few over here as well, St. Ninjas. And city center recycling bring sites, rural glass bring sites. Okay, there are a few categories of waste as well. Let me open the data. So these are the data in Excel sheet. Fine, let me zoom it in. So we can see there are blue bins, gray bins, and we do have glasses as well, all waste. So this is together internal Stirling Council transfer. So this one is like transfer from one to another. So this one comes under transfers. We do have accounts over here as well. I'm not sure how does that work. And we got tons. Right now I thought, like, instead of using this data, what if I probably used some Python. Like Tableau is okay, but still I'm not able to access whole month's data. It's only 3 months data. I can't find the reason why it's not happening, like I'm not able to get the data. So this just makes me worried, like why it is not working. Then I thought I should probably find a way. So right now I'm going to do this same thing in Python. And let me connect. Yeah, it's normal that we are not having any viewers. Let me connect. Let me use let's create a notebook at first. I think I should probably use Colab, Google Colab, Google dot I forgot, Colab research. I should probably share the screen so I can easily work over there. Maybe I will use Rust Desk. I'm not sure whether they are paid. I'm thinking they are open source, so also I'm not using it for any commercial purposes, just for teaching you. Yeah, it's for educational purpose only. It's not Windows, I forgot. Yeah, Mac. Let's install it for Mac, and let me install it over here so I can use the desktop. And I do have a keyboard and mouse for this. I also I got a big screen over here, so it will be much fun for me to work. Alacrity. So Pacman. So I'm using Arc, by the way. Rust Desk. I believe I do have a Rust Desk over here. Can't find. Well, that's okay. It will take quite a while, like 2-3 minutes probably. Let's install it. I do have it, then fine, perfect. And I don't need this and this. Yep. Now let's open Rust Desk. It's a quite good software. Previously I was using it. I do love it a lot. So we do need to have this. Give me a couple of minutes so I can run through this and connect my display. Go. You may ask why you are not streaming on Linux. So I don't have a webcam over here. I also don't have a microphone, so it would be great if I used Mac. Works well. Okay, we are installing. Yay. So what we are basically going to do is we are going to use collab.research.com. Also when I'm typing you can hear that clicky noise, and I don't want it. So create a new notebook. Let's make it into a single display. Yeah, we got the notebook. Great. Close all tabs. I will connect it in a minute. Once I connect the Mac to my AnyDesk over here, like not AnyDesk, Rust Desk. Yeah, I was previously using AnyDesk, but thought not to. It's like not open source at first, and I do love some sort of open source software as they are open about what they are doing. Even if they are taking the data, they are open about it. Yeah. Yeah, we do got it in a couple of minutes. 23 megabytes, 23.7. Perfect. It's not Rust, it's based collection data Stirling. So I like to see the data in a different way. So this will allow us to know which area produces a lot of waste during the previous year. Also we can compare it with past 2 years and know which area provides a lot of waste and create a plan. So this area need more waste management, like more waste vehicles, and duration, how frequently they do need waste management vehicles over there, and from which council we can transfer the waste to another which area to another area, not the council. We are doing Stirling council. And let me open Rust Desk. Yep, got it. And don't use my ID, please. I think you got my password, but still don't use it. That's it. I think it's some sort of automation. Also, I believe I need to activate it over here, so yeah. accept. I don't want to enter the password. So we do have the screen over here. Yeah, I'm able to control, and I will be facing sideways, so I took a screenshot. Well, that was funny. I will probably try to move it. Yeah, I got the screen. Let me scale it well, so make it adaptive. Okay, we are having the data over here. Let's connect it at first. So the first thing is connect to your cloud. Yeah. Also, probably I will use the database like Drive, so my data will be stored safely and I can use it later. For now, I will upload it over here. Rice management collection 2023. It will say the files will be deleted after the runtime, like after stopping this. So make sure you do remember that properly. Then let's rename it waste collection underscore 2023. And over here maybe we will use ChatGPT and other things for our purpose. Okay, import pandas as PD, import plotly dot express. I forgot which one needed. Plotly express. Let's take heat map. That was heat map, right? Heat map. So annotator heat map. I don't need that. I don't need that. This one is not what we want. Let me check this. So this one is annotated heat map. So yeah, plotly express SP. It's also we are using CSV file. Let me get the boilerplate code. Importing CSV file in Python. I'm too lazy to type this. Even type this just this code. No, don't look up. Just copy. Well, it's different. The MacBook and these things are just confusing as we need to press Control and command like Windows key. This should be wastes underscore collection underscore 2023, and I need to find which all data are important for me and which aren't. So we are getting this. Just to do df, that's more than enough. It should be in better format. Yeah. So these are the values. So we got week, collection, day, and date, route, collection, waste, yeah, blah blah blah. So I need to plot right now like week, probably month. We do have a month, right? We do have month. So based on month, we need to identify quantity, and we know the quantity is in units. Most of the things are in units. So or else let me find. We don't have. I'm just too lazy for doing it. Finding unique values dot unique of, I think that's that thing. Finding unique value. This is my always habit. Okay, just never mind. Unique value in pandas data frame. So we're getting unique dot unique. So it should be like dot unique unique of, and I'll pass in unit. Probably this should be wrong. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's wrong. So data frame has no unique value. So I need to find unique unique value. I have previously searched, so it says okay. I understood what I did wrong. So I need to choose which value I need, unit, and I need unique values of it. I can say sort and all, UNIQUE. It was previously haven't told anything regarding what to type. So tons are the only one in there, so array tons. And right now we need to take the values based on months. So we need to take let me print the df, and I do have different locations, so I need to understand based on the route. So these are the routes. During that route this month it was like, yeah, this much waste. So I need to sort it based on route as well as month. Let me check what are the unique values of route and unique. We can make one by one cell, so it will be like saved series u. This is a problem with me, u and unique. Typos, always typos. Yeah, these are the unique values over here, and we got few, not bad. Rapport, content, bridge of ln, and we got few, and sometimes no specific route. Probably those are noise, but still I will leave it, because sometimes there will be a lot of no specific route. And we got Cronton. We do have Cronton, right? I'm currently staying in Cronton, that you need to know. So let's guess, maybe it will be a huge number of waste. Let's find out how much ton waste I'm generating over here after coming to UK. And we got Bridge of Allen and Dunblane, which is nearby, and we got Cronton and City Center. That's our area, and this is Cronton covered, and then Cronton. These are the unique values of, yeah. Let me print the df again. I forgot about what all the cells we do have. Collection day, that we can take in future times. Just now we do need let's do heat map, pandas data frame. So we are grouping by those values, not reset index. Let's create a new df. I hope it works. New df is equal to dot group by. So data frame dot group by. Okay. Df dot group by. We are grouping it by few variables. So month, based on month we are doing it. It should be in double quotes, month, as well as the route. So based on route and month we are doing it, and we are taking sum. Okay, and group by, then outside it should be quantity. Dot, we need to take sum, and dot reset index. So this area 0 and 2, yeah, that area will be properly indexed. Okay, let's print new df. Hopefully it works, and we got an error. That's not good. Well, so not a string. List indices must be integer, not slice, not a string. So yep, we got error, first error. So this one is country, and year, and occurrence. This is like heat map, but we don't need heat map like this. I forgot, that's a tree map. Oh, my bad. I just remember it right now. Tree map. One of my friend told in class, so I just like, oh, tree map, yeah, I got it. I need Stack Overflow. I need someone who make mistake and solve their mistake over the duplicate data in plotly tree map. Okay, well, we got it. So this is a tree map. Well, this is a mess. Okay, right now we do need, let me guess, so we need to group it by month and round. List indices must be a string. Like, let's remove this. So we are grouping it by month and round. So grouping it by month. Say month. We are taking it by month, and reset index doesn't work. No problem, because we don't want to reset it anyway. So it's an object. Yeah, let's do it one by one. So we are grouping it by route. Okay, route. So take df. I think it should be in curly brackets. Take df. In df you need to take df dot group by route. I hope it works. Still data frame is not callable. Okay, fine. I'm not that brave in pandas. Data frame unhashable typo. Well, I will do it in another way. Google.com, Stack Overflow, how to group by in pandas. So we are taking df by head first. It will give us first few values, I believe. Get group, group by. So we are grouping it by two things. Df dot group by pandas gkk is equal to df dot group by month and route. So this is the mistake. Let me copy paste the normal programming way. Well, command V. The file is found, but problem is list. This should be the problem, and search. No. Search Google. Length of array. I don't need to use pandas. I don't want to use any other things. Ever do pandas. Most of them used some sort of direct way, but I don't need to do it in that way. I hate if there is no one having this email. Let me check. So it must be integer. shouldn't be a string. This is giving me bad time. Let's print the df again. Okay, so those are the headers. So I'm grouping it by month and route. Month and route. Any viewers online? Probably I could ask them, right? And where is my screen? Nobody's seeing this. Come on, guys. I'm in misery and pain over here. Nobody's there. Yeah, let's deal with this by ourselves then. Okay. Yeah. Say new df is equal to df of, let's take month. I need to have the month and I need to group it by route. So I will take all route and based on that I will group. So I need to do df of route. My brain tells it will be okay. Let's check because it's not indices, but what does this mean? It's sending me an object. Why it's sending me an object series or group by, and let's do print of df. No df. What's the time in India? Time in India. 26. Pandas printing me the object. And I hate this door locking noise, you know. Fucking hate it. Because it's like so closed room and the walls are so thin, I can hear the sounds from other room. It's the worst. Now it's totally fine. During the night time now, it is the worst. And these all MFs, I hate them. Yeah, to the core. Seg fault. Printing all data type. I don't need the data type, come on. Well, I will do my work. I will just print it directly. Don't. Okay. So df should return me the value. And df of month, I should do dot reset underscore index. You're playing with me? I don't have time. Yeah. I'm trying to reset it. Using group by in pandas. Real Python. Yeah, I'm using fake Python over here. I don't need to use what? Let me check the data. So last name, first name, then we do have state. Okay, let's take a single variable. I think data visualization tools are better. In Tableau it will be in seconds, done, you have the data, but it's real waste. Okay, let's do df dot group by, like, customizability is not even 1% over the route. Based on route, I need to do it for quantity. Wait, how they provided the value over here? They are taking last name, so last name dot count, based on that he is getting the count dot sum. New df. Okay, we are getting the tons of is based on the location right now. Good news. So we are having multiple variables inside, so not double square bracket. Instead of that, I think it's my mistake. Previously I haven't saw it properly, so it's my mistake. Right now I need for month as well. month. So based on month and route we will have the values. So 1 2 3 1 2 3, and right now over here we don't have the value of month total. And right now I need one thing. I need to know one thing. Df dot df of month dot unique, just unique value of the month. So I need to know what all months we do have over here. Again typo, uni. I don't know why I am having typo for that one. So we do have 1 2 3 only, so it won't work. What about month of df of date? I'm not sure whether we do have this data type. month. God. Get month from date pandas. dt dot month, fine. Month name, I believe. Hopefully it works. It doesn't. dt assisted datetime values, be like, okay, it should be month name. Should I put it under curly brackets? I'm not sure. Okay, let's do one thing. df of date is equal to, we are updating the date to month name. What else? We can do this. We can change the month name to month. Okay. Save it. Run it. Okay, I need to change the data type. It's not. Let's do it again. pd dot, what we need, I forgot. Date time index. Date time index of df of date dot month name. Df, save it, run it, and We got error. Bullshit. You see, inbound error. I'm inbound in arithmetic. What is it? What sort of error is that? What if I'm having a different format? Just comment it. Comment slash. So we need a month. Let's do MON. Let it be Monday or something, okay? So the MON is giving me same error. And the date we have is like DDMM. No, is it DDMM? It's week 1. So DDMM. Why? What is the final month? Okay, it's only for 3 months, I think. 31/3/2023. I think their data is right. I don't want to change it. I thought the data they provided was wrong, so well, it's my mistake. We do have the month, route, and the values. So this is for 3 months. We do have it for 3 months, but I mean, as I told it is for let me Google it again. Waste management, Stirling Council, bins and recycling. I don't, that's it. I don't like you to take my details, but I like your details. Collection date. And I don't need another thing. So open data. This is a population one. I don't need that, but I need the data for domestic production. We do have the things over here, but I need to create my own. Come on, 2021 onwards. Note 2023 is accumulative, and therefore this year data is the 4-year data is date available. Okay, fine. Waste collection, route and details, summary report. So I downloaded from this, but it is not fully completed. Let's take 2022. I think the data is fully done. So this is from, we got 10,000 data. So let me check it upside down over here. Date, ending date. Okay, we got 1 year of data. Waste collected, 13 wood, 106 fiber. We will download the data set. CSV download. It could take a while. And we got a lot of internal Stirling Council transfer, so it will be transferred from one council to another. I mean one area to another. I am telling council every time, I don't know. Just let's open this. Not this. Okay, we do have this. So let's create a heat map from here. I need to create a heat map. So these are the values. And I mean tree map, Plotly, Python. I should check it for pandas. flow. Mistake, guys, like me. Creating data nobody did answer this. So he put path over here. Unanswered tree map questions. We got a lot of unanswered tree map questions. Plotly limitation, plotly Python. Well, I need to create my own solution, I believe. Okay, tree map charts in plotly. We are having tree map over here, and say df path, and we got the following values. So let's say df comma path is equal to, we need to mention what all are the values. So path. It's under, it's like array. So beginning with route comma month, finally quantity q quantity pandas group by tree map fig.show, find values is equal to total big. I believe this should be over there, and comma values, right, is equal to tree map values is equal to total. It's not under square brackets, it's under single quotes. Quantity QUAN quantity. I will do fig.show. Probably this will have a lot of errors. It's about trial and error method, guys. Value path 0 is not in the name of data. So it says value path of 0 is not the name of the column of data. It's expected one of quantity but received route. Okay. New df. So this is giving me really bad time. Hopefully having nightmare today night. Save it, run it. We're having name quantity, float 64, length 269. I got the values. I should say reset index dot reset underscore index. I think we will set drop and a true, but I don't need to set it over here. New df, yeah, we got these, and let me uncomment. Well, we are getting something over here. So this is one, and it's for council transfer, and we got it for Cronton. So for Cronton, labels 1, 2 and 3. Labels are like month. Cronton /1, I don't know what is the ID. So it's like 70.58, 35.82 and 35.74 for month 3. In total, Cronton produced 142.14 for first 3 months of, yeah. Why they aren't providing live data, so it will be much more fun. And Dunblane is the highest contributor. Then we got Ninas and Wills of Milton, Raplock. I think this will be the top 10, and I should exclude this Stirling council transfer. So let's say dropping certain value in pandas. My brain lost, guys. So df line race is equal to, okay, say new df is equal to, what's that, new df of route which isn't equal to certain, which is internal Stirling council transfer. And still it exists. So plotly advantage is this. So whenever if I need to see this, say all route that I don't need, say Bridge of Allen and Crompton together. So if I click on that, we can see for first, second and third together when they have collected and all things. Yeah, then I don't need these, so let's go back over here. And labels, we need to remove that. And in INTERNALSTIL, what am I doing? So this should be like this, right? I'm not sure whether I am not making mistakes. Dot line race. Okay. Make it dot route. New df dot. Let me comment both of these. Run it again. Also we can divide based on, okay, let me say route dot, you should provide me unique value, so let's try to understand from it. What is that internal, right? I think it's deleted. You can find it over here. Yeah, this guy is made it in double quotes for few values. Yeah, internal Stirling council transfer, there it is. We got additional space over here, that's my mistake. Additional space, save it, run it again. Now find internal. Yeah, it's removed, that's what we want. We are commenting it out, comment, uncomment, uncomment. I'm going to kill this bastard for sure. And we are getting the values. Okay, we removed the value. Yeah, we got done blame 1 2 3. So we got id. I should remove the id value from here. I don't know why they are giving me the id. Anyway, let it be there. I hate this guy opening and closing the door a lot of times. Probably let's make him angry. Let's put alarm in that much noise so he will wake up, or else hitting on the wall. So we got Dunblind and we got Sun Ninjas, Rapolk, Campus Baron, Sun Ninjas alone and not including Vince Milton. Then we got Bannock, Ban, Calendar, Cowie. Then we got Causeway Head and Cambuskin, Bridge of Allen, Fallin, Riverside and Kings Park, Crompton. We got Crompton over, I think, top 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do. I'm the worst. Okay. Say new df dot, I forgot for printing the first 10, I think head, yeah, head of 10, yeah, head of 10. So we will be getting the top 10 over here. So it starts from 0, never mind. Okay, so I need to sort it by based on the location. Again, I will do it again over here, like okay, new df dot group by, not based on month, instead of that route I need based on the route. And what do I need? I need quantity sum, quantity dot sum. I need to sort values by quantity. Probably this won't work, but still let me give it a try. Sort the values based on quantity, and this should be shown after resetting index. Yeah, everything in a single line, claustrophobic. Sort by value. So by is not the still need to have error. Quantity. So how do I sort the value? Sort by dot unique sorted. Pandas data frame sort by command. I mean sort by column. Dot sort values of 2. It will print only 2. Sort values by. Okay, I need ascending or descending. So let me do a thing. We will get all into sort values by quantity. I need the sort values by quantity, and ascending should be false. I need it in a high to low order. Yeah, that should be the right way. And we still got error. It says sort values unexpected way. Then what is the thing mentioned over here? By. Well, this is giving me bad time again. I need to create a new df that and do uncomment it. Say I'm getting the values. These two values I need to get. I'm gonna take this bastard. Control is not working. God, come on. I need to use option alt key for moving tool and set. Don't do typos. I hate typos. I really hate typos. Say I got new df based on that I got the sum. Say reset. Let's. What about sort value right now? Sort values. Say ascending kind. So sort values ascending should be true or false. Then I can say position in place. Is there any sort by dot? I need to read the logs. That's it. Ascending position should probably do that. Yeah, sort, say ascending. It's not ASCII, it's ascending is equal to false. Just directly ascending is equal to false will provide me the value. That's it. Not going anything deeper into this. I will say dot reset index. Come on, reset index. Reset the index, so new df will be different. And not doing anything much. Okay, we got internal Stirling council transfer. We don't need to remove that, and I think I removed it previously. So new df, it should be removing this value. So this is based on df. So I need to put that again. Command C, Command V. Okay. Say it removed that, then I'd say head of 10. So this will give me the top 10 values like Dunblane, Sen Ninjas, Rapalk, half of the city name I don't know, and Bridge of Highland is in the 10th position regarding the waste provider as a waste generator. Yeah, we do have any other data. I will do it for 2012, but the data isn't being downloaded. Waste collection 2022. Yeah, not 2012, 2022. Let me try to upload the data over here. This is 2020. No, I don't want to download it again. I downloaded it. Okay, we are getting 2022 data. I wasn't here during the time. Okay, I was at my home country, India. Yeah, let's rename it. Say waste underscore collection underscore 2022. I believe it should be the same. Not make much change, please God. Yeah, we are getting the value. So we got internal Stirling council transfer again, and this time we don't have space in that, so let me remove that. Previously we will be having the space, so it was providing me that. Still print me in df again. Let's go read the data. So we are having the df over here, say thousands of data, and we do have route, says internal Stirling council transfer. Let's copy it, scroll to the top, paste it. What is the change? I can't really understand. Let me move this to here. I should go and cook something. I don't need, not applicable. Probably I need to remove this. Leave it there for right now. Just I am checking for the basic thing. I'm not going into deep dive. Like if it won't much impact, just leave it. Internal Stirling council transfer. This is the first thing. Copy it, scroll to the top and paste it again. Paste it. Comment this out. Comment this out. Save it. Run it again. After running it, understand from the problem. If it doesn't work, no, just put 1. Well, I am not able to remove it. I can find a reason why it is not being removed. So it says route. So I am trying to remove it from route. Probably I should put single quotes. Because small mistakes make huge impacts, you know. Still we do have it. Can't find a proper reason why, but anyway, leave it. We can see top 11. I will print 11 datas. Cannot lock him out tomorrow. So we got 11 datas, and the 11th one is Bridge of Allen. It was the previous year. I mean previous years, like 2022, data of 2022. We got Dunblane, St. Ninjas, and Winds of Milton. Dunblane produced a lot of waste. I think Dunblane is the biggest city. Hope it is. And we got Causeway Head. I believe Causeway Head is somewhat big. And Campbell's Baron, Bannockburn, Riverside, and Kings Park, and St. Ninjas. This is for 2022. And during the first 4 months, there was huge transfers. First 4 months. In Dunblane, they produced large amount of waste during the 5th and 10th month. I see it's no. It's like 2087, 57. Yeah, during 5, 7, 1, 8, and 10. During these months, they produced a huge load of waste. And Crompton, which is my place, I think it's lesser than this year. This year they produce a lot of waste. Like in total they produce 4, 5, 3. Okay. Let me copy this and paste it one more time so I can read it for this year. New code, paste it over here, say 2023. But this is only for I believe 3 months. So first 3 months we need to compare. So let's take Crompton. It produced 142, and during the first month it produced 70. And let's take Crompton. I think the last years it was like 68. So for Crompton this year it's a huge. The waste increased by 2 tons. So the data comparison is based on tons. So it's a great thing. Yeah, they produce a lot of waste during Jan. Then last year it was during March, I think they produced a lot of waste. Before the last year, it was like 2022. And this one is like interactive chart, so I can change it and see. I can see for Dunblane, Bridge of Allen, or else I can say, let's say Bridge of Allen. Bridge of Allen produced during high during March. During March they produced a lot of waste. I should make another chart so I can click on March and see the waste for March only, not every year. Yeah, let's do it then. Say I need it for certain month. DF of month. So DF of said only 3 will be taken. Make a error. So columns must be same length as key. So say df, not df of month, because it will change the value. Okay. During the March we had lot of waste in Dunblane, Crompton, and I think Crompton came up during this top month 3, third month. Crompton was at 68.30, and this was during 2022. I should put header somewhere. Let me take the same and copy these. So we can do month-wise analysis. So this is for month 3. And I can see Bridge of Allen, Crompton, like Dunblane, St. Ninjas, Winds of Milton, Bridge of Allen. Bridge of Allen was third, producing nearly 99.78 tons. What about 2023? and over here we are able to understand Dunblane, St. Ninas, and Winds of Milton, St. Ninas. Uh, we are not having any of our cities over here like Ronton and is it 12? Okay, I should call my mother and tell her to wake up because she got some works to do. Anyway, these are the values we are able to get and we are able to understand from it like which is having a lot of impact on waste, like which city is having a lot of impact, and like this is based on Stirling Council, so all places comes under Stirling and we are analyzing based on Stirling. That's it. I think that's more than enough for this video. I'm going. Tata, bye bye. Bye bye bye.